to win the first championship.
So speaking of words, touching the spirit, I talked to Nick Sirianni after the game. He was emotional. He talked about him when he was speaking Saturday night before the game. He talked to Jordan Mailata the next morning. He said the same thing. You don't have to go into details because I know what's said in the house is kept in the house. But what was the response in the room after you got talking to the squad the night before the game?
You know, when you speak, you don't really know how people are going to receive it. When you're being honest and you're being true, you just want to speak the truth. And I think as a team, everyone had it on their minds to go out there and do it the right way. And I think there was a high level of focus. And we have a different group. You know, every team is different. Our team is different from what it's been in the past, and it'll be different next year. But the energy, the community,
The brotherhood.
everything. I think it allowed us to get over it and do it.
Can I just say something about your fiance? Bree, she's lovely. She's as smart as she is gorgeous. She has her MBA, by the way. She is no slouch either. So you've been to Disneyland, so what do you want to do now to relax? What are you guys going to do? You don't have to tell us where you're going. What are you going to do?
Enjoy the parade and enjoy everything we work really hard for, and then do it again.
Real quick, ask a little bit about your foundation before we go.
Yes, that's been something that began this year. I've always tried to be present in the community wherever I've been playing, but just to have the opportunity to mentor, serve, and progress, those that need it. I think about, you talk about my father, you think about how important guidance is, and someone telling you that, hey, you can't do it. And I know my father told me that, and I know a lot of people don't have those father figures in their life, so
That's awesome.
whether it's a role model or whatever, someone that they emulate, I can do that for them.
We're cheering you on.
We are cheering you on. I know you don't like to give those moments, but a few million Eagles fans are cheering about your feet next year. Lift up that arm.
Yes.
Get ready.
Tell me, we're coming.
Just won a game. Relax. He's only got plans till Friday.
The champ is here.
We'll be right back. Believe it or not, we are halfway through the school year.
But in many classrooms, essential supplies are running out.
That's why CBS 12 News needs your help to start.
But we are teaming up with the Education Foundation for a month-long school supplies drive.
You can donate supplies at one of our drop-off locations or purchase them online through the Office Depot wish list.
Help give our teachers and students the tools they need to thrive in the classroom.
For more information, go to cbs12.com.
Sponsored by Flagler Credit Union.
Out with the old, in with the new. If you want new windows, we've got a deal for you. StarTite Windows is giving away up to $25,000 in new impact windows to a lucky winner. It's easy. Just text the word at the bottom of your screen to 373737. Text now.
Man, congrats, Spiro, on being named National Mover of the Year.
Thanks, Duncan. We keep upping our game at Good Green, just like you've done on the court.
And I've also raised my game on my moving skills. And I'm ready to show you. Want to see? How'd I do, Spiro?
Good work, Duncan. But what about the jiggle?
Good, green, moving is still orange.